Good morning everybody, welcome to another episode of the Funchal Guide. It's bright and early, 8:45 in the morning, and we're gonna go and have a boat trip with Rota dos Cetaceos. Let's go check it out.
And now you saw a small part of the group. They live in family groups, and in the same family group during all life, okay? They have really strong family bonds. They love each other, they help each other. It's really nice to see. And nowadays in Madeira, for you to have an idea, it's possible to recognize 125 pilot whales.
So we've just finished our boat trip and walking through Funchal. I'm gonna go and meet up with Lisa and we're gonna do a little bit of her free walking tour. Let's check it out.
Hey, I'm Lisa. I do the free walking tours in Funchal. Welcome to the English church. Let's take a look inside.
So Lisa, do you want to tell us a little bit about free walking tours? Like this was your idea. What do you do?
I show the best of Funchal to our visitors. So we visit the touristic areas, but we also visit some places that are not as touristic. This is one of the areas, okay, this is Mirador Quinta das Cruzes. It's a beautiful viewpoint of Funchal, so this is one of the areas that we visit on the free walking tours. The tour is about 2.5 to 3 hours. It's for free, so everybody's welcome to join.
Awesome. Let's carry on.
This building is from the 15th century and it was built to house the noble daughters of Funchal, only the noble daughters. Nowadays there's still a few nuns here, not as many as in the 15th century obviously, but it's nowadays a museum, a beautiful museum, and also a kindergarten. We are in Fábrica Santo António at this moment. This factory is 125 years old and they have the best cookies, the best traditional sweets from Madeira. Take a look.
This one very good. I told you. This one, for example, is made with hazelnut pure, so we have no flavor addition here.
We got a little secret to show you. One of my favorite little secret spots. Here we go. Come on. It's time to say goodbye to Lisa.
Bye.
Bye, Lisa.
Bye, Jim.
I'm going back to my hotel and getting ready for dinner. Stick around. So today's restaurant is not actually in Funchal, it's in Câmara de Lobos, but it's by far the best fish restaurant we have. And what is awesome about it is that they have a pick up and drop off service, so they pick you up and drop you off at your hotel. Let's go. So what I love about this restaurant is that you can actually come out here, you can choose your fresh fish and they actually barbecue it for you. It's fantastic. another episode. I'll see you guys next time. It's been great. Let's get out of here.